What's up, everybody? I recently installed a new breaker inside my home, specifically for my Antminers. This way, the units would run separately from the rest of the power outlets, and I would know exactly how much power I had available for them. I installed a 20 amp 220 volt breaker with 10 gauge wire, and then I installed a hospital grade 20 amp 110 volt style plug, since the power cables of this style are much easier to find and a lot cheaper than the 220 versions. Rather than having one hotline to this outlet, I just use two, which makes it into 220. I plan on installing one more breaker like this, so it's separate from the rest of my home, but I currently have 3 Antminer L3 Pluses running on this single breaker, and it runs just fine. Before, I had an extension cord from one outlet to my Antminers, which was across my entire home, but I plan on getting rid of that and just installing another one of these breakers. As you can see, the mining setup is very close by, and I'm able to run 6 Antminer L3 Pluses at one time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.